Operation tutorial for gate-type shearing machine, suitable for DAC-360T. Step 1. Add hydraulic oil and connect the power cord. Add anti-wear hydraulic oil to the fuel tank. Fill oil from this port. Power off. Connect to 3-phase power. Pneumatic rear bracket, air source connection. Connect the pedal switch to the machine. Turn on the power switch of the machine. Turn on the key switch. The index light will turn on. Release all emergency switches. Long press the start pump button. Waiting for the system to load. Check the main motor rotation direction. If rotated clockwise, it is correct. If rotates counterclockwise, turn off the main power supply. Swapping 2 wire connections. Clockwise rotation is correct. Step 2. Start the machine. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the key switch. The indicator light comes on. Release all emergency stop switches. Long press the start pump button. Waiting for the system to load. Step 3. System operation. Start programming. Input board thickness 6 mm. Input board length 50 mm. Start and run. The system automatically calculates and adjusts the cutting angle. Step 4. Cut. Placing the metal plate. The steel plate will come into contact with the blocking finger. Step on the pedal switch and cut. Step 5. Measurement and calibration. Measure the length of the cut sheet and display it as 48.6 mm. Found a problem. There is an error of 1.4 mm. Click the icon. Click on calibration. Enter the actual measured length, which is 48.6 mm. Calibration complete. Cut again for testing. Measure again. Now, it's correct. Step 6. Shut down. Press the red stop button. Press all emergency stop buttons. Turn off the power switch.